Well, there were celebrations all night long that were witnessed in Bengaluru and other parts of the state of Karnataka. Why? Because it was finally the RCB, the Royal Challengers Bangalore, that have now ended their 18-year-long wait for an IPL trophy, the title, as they won, defeating Punjab Kings to secure their first ever IPL title. Remember RCB that has been in the competition since the inaugural edition all the way back since 2008 and have now made it to the finals on 3 separate occasions apart from the one that took place last night, and it was their 4th attempt this time that they were not just ready to let it go. A scintillating battlinga performance that was coming from ever reliable Virat Kohli, and what a moment it was, the very moment when there was victory that came in the way, and the reaction of Virat Kohli that has been going viral all round, and especially when it comes to the all-rounder Krunal Pandya as well, who ensured that RCB were on top of the game throughout the match and ultimately defeated the maiden title hopefuls Punjab Kings to script history at the Narendra Modi Stadium. Celebrations were going on all night in Bengaluru last night as the city turned red to celebrate the historic feat achieved by their champion team.
The 18-year wait for RCB fans is over. They finally won the IPL trophy. Virat Kohli has won the IPL trophy. He will ensure that right outside the Narendra Modi Stadium. And you can see the excitement here, the happiness here. They are just RCB. आपको पूछना चाहूंगी, विराट कोहली की आंखों में अभी आंसू थे, क्या कहेंगे?
18 साल का इमोशन था, 18 साल से सुनना पड़ा था, जीरो ट्रॉफी बोला था ना, 18 नंबर जर्सी है।
18 number jersey is what everyone is talking about. What everyone is, the RCB fans are not going to stop anytime soon. Whether it's Ahmedabad or back in Bangalore as well, these are all RCB fans.
RCB। आज की मैच बहुत ही अच्छी गई। हमने कभी सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था इस बार RCB जीतेगी, और इस बार RCB जीत गई फाइनल। RCB विन हुए, हमें बहुत खुशी हुई है। 18 साल से
that everyone is talking about. What would you want to say? Are you happy today? RCB has won.
Very happy.
Very happy that RCB has won today.
18वां सीजन 18 बारी है RCB।
Everyone that's walking into our camera is just talking about RCB. This being the 18th season, Virat Kohli being the 18th number, and winning IPL trophy, IPL 2025. I don't think this IPL chance are going to be stopped anytime soon. What happens in Bangalore is what we are going to see, and this is something that will be very, very interesting and exciting to see.
Well, if those were the scenes outside the Narendra Modi Stadium, then Imran, how are the scenes looking like in Bengaluru city after all? This victory is a one that the team and the people there and the fans of RCB have waited for 18 long years.
Well, absolutely. After so many times of defeat and so many times of hopes being shattered, finally the dream came true. But after 18 years, RCB won the match. We have young fans here of Cricket Academy here in Bengaluru. How was your feeling after 18 years? RCB finally took the cup.
Well, the match was very tight. It could have turned in both the ways, but the way they bowled in the stadium where 200 is easy to chase, it's amazing. And just we can say is the slogan has changed from Isala Cup Namde to Isala Cup Namdu. I hope the fans who are waiting from 18 years rather than me will be celebrating more and more.
So the Isala Cup Namde was not only just a slogan, it became an anthem for the people in Bengaluru. How do you feel now? Virat Kohli's the batting was there, the bowling. Speak a lot more on that.
Yeah, the bowling was very good because in Ahmedabad, if you see the first innings spark was around like 215, and RCB managed to score only 190 even after that big over against Jamieson. But the bowlers, especially Krunal Pandya, he crammed up the batsman. Batsman couldn't hit even singles. So the more the dot balls, the more the pressure. So the bowlers executed really well, not just Krunal Pandya, Bhuvneshwar in the death overs, Hazlewood as always, and even Yash Dayal up to some extent. They played really well, and as a fan of neither team, I got to watch it as a neutral cricket watcher. So I enjoyed the game very much because it was very like a close call.
You neither of the support neither team, but you enjoyed the game. But what's your take? That this was a dream come true for the Bangaloreans. Everybody was ecstatic and joyous yesterday.
Yes.
What is your take? Where were you, and whether tell the informers about that?
I was very happy when I saw that RCB won the cup for us, and really it was a proud moment when I saw that legends like ABD, Gale and all had come to visit.
Well, that was the sportsman spirit that was visible as far as when it comes to colleagues and sportsmen who were once in the same team but now in different teams. But how they came together to actually celebrate the victory of RCB. I mean, Pratibha, you can get us as far as the tweets and the posts are concerned, right from the Chief Minister to all the other people there who are celebrating the victory of RCB.
Absolutely. The victory has touched everyone, from every fan who has been watching to the political leaders to the cricketers, everyone taking to social media. But I want to begin, Amita, with what Royal Challengers Bangalore has put out. And this is their tweet. After a long wait, it's a victory that all the fans deserve. And the pinned tweet of RCB says this: champions, RCB played bold 17 years. And look at that, it's very interesting. They say 17 years, 6,256 days, 90 lakh 8,640 minutes later, the wait finally ends. The IPL trophy is finally coming home, and we can't keep calm. This is a picture that they have put out as well of the entire team. And look at that, 30,000 retweets. That shows the kind of emotion that goes behind this victory. And all through the night, they've been tweeting. In fact, in some of these pictures, how these leaders, those who really were leading from the front for this victory, their pictures have also been put out. And look at that. This is a very interesting tweet as well, again put out by RCB. It says, why is RCB celebrating like they won the IP? And they just stop there and say, oh, wait, we did. Because there have been years of trolling that the RCB has had to face, saying why they're celebrating after one victory as if they won the entire cup. But now we actually have won the cup.
Yes.
And that's what it says here. And there are multiple tweets here. Allu Arjun as well. He has also taken to social media to say the wait is finally over. He has in fact tweeted a picture. Says, E Salah Cup Namde. You have other cricketers as well saying, been a long wait, but the best stories are worth it. To win after 18 years takes more than talent. It takes belief, resilience and fire. Congratulations RCB on a well-earned title. Massive congratulations to Kohli. All these seasons, one team and belief in that one dream. And what a moment to have AB de Villiers and Chris Gayle at the ground cheering on the legacy they helped shape. Well done, Rajat Patidar, and to the entire team and the support staff of the RCB. And it's not just, of course, cricketers. Dinesh Karthik as well has put out a picture of the celebration saying hello with a wink. He has tweeted some of the other players as well who have said that if RCB win, then he is going to be celebrating like there's no tomorrow. There are messages from Shashi Tharoor, part of the Indian delegation, but glued to what's happening in the country. He says, the first thing I did upon landing in Washington was to check the IPL final score. Very happy that Kohli, that 18 years and the number 18 laid his hands on the trophy after 18 years of service. Congratulations, RCB. The tweet of DK Shivkumar as well. He was also watching the match live and he tweeted, 18 years of wait. It's been worth it. Thank you, RCB, Amita.
Oh, well, it's endless, isn't it, Pratibha? And as far as the number 18 and the statistics that are now coming together, it seems that the entire Kainat or the universe wanted RCB and Virat Kohli in particular to win. But remember, Virat Kohli is a Delhi boy. So let's not forget that, because just few hundred kilometers away from the national capital, the fans of the RCB, they're also united to celebrate Virat Kohli's victory back home, and that is the national capital. Let's take a look at this ground report.
These are not just normal fans. These are the people who were waiting for 18 years. They had options of switching the team, but they did not. They stuck to the same person for 18 years, and here they are, happy for the victory. It's 18 साल. कितना बड़ा लगता है?
बहुत बड़ा है. छोटे बच्चे बड़े हो गए. जो छोटे थे वो कॉलेज में चले गए. कॉलेज वालों की शादियां हो गई हैं. तो इतने साल बाद जीते हैं. बहुत बढ़िया विराट के लिए बहुत खुश हैं. We are happy for him. विराट के
हमने विराट कोहली की बात करी, वो हमेशा एग्रेसिव रहते हैं, फील्ड पे गुस्से में रहते हैं। आज उस इंसान के आंखों से आंसू आए हैं ओपनली। कितना बड़ा क्रिकेट होता है किसी भी इंसान के लिए।
मतलब उस बंदे ने इतना कुछ दिया है क्रिकेट के लिए, इतने लोगों को इंस्पायर किया, 100 करोड़ लोगों को। मतलब उसके इमोशंस शायद वर्ल्ड कप के बाद भी ऐसे नहीं निकले थे जैसे आज निकले हैं। मतलब इट्स लाइक के 18 इयर्स, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कम्पिटिटिव लीग्स इन द वर्ल्ड। मतलब ये निकलना तो बनता था कि यार बंदे ने इतना कुछ किया। द ओनली प्लेयर हु हैज बीन विद अ टीम सिंस द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द आईपीएल। मतलब उसका इमोशन तो बनते थे।
हमारे पास कुछ लोग हैं जो आरसीबी की जर्सी पहन के भी आए हैं। आज क्या लगा, सबसे बेटर प्लेयर कौन था आरसीबी की टीम से जिसने टीम को पार लगाया? कौन लगा? हेजलवुड लगा आपको जी। और आपके लिए क्या मेमोरीज रही हैं आरसीबी की? इतने पुराने साल से आप टीम के साथ रहे होंगे, क्या मेमोरीज थी?
बहुत कुछ है, दिल से रोना आ रहा है।
दिल से रोना आ रहा है।
बिल्कुल।
विराट कोहली को भी रोना आ गया
बहुत, उसे देख के मुझे रोना आ गया।
उसे देख के रोना आ गया। So you see, these are the emotions of the fans. They have seen the ups and downs. They have seen that 2016 where Virat Kohli scored 973 runs, but still fell short just by a short margin. But not today. Today he was not alone in the battle. It was the entire playing 11.